The subtropical desert biome lies between 15 and 30 degrees latitude, centered on the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. In the subtropical desert, there is less than 200 milliliters of rain and potential evapotranspiration greater than 2,000 milliliters. It is usually hot and dry in the summer, with the lowest temperatures at 13 degrees Celsius. Although it is cooler in the winter, it is still very dry with rain falling between June and September. As seen in the graph, the subtropical desert has an extremely low productivity compared to other biomes like the savanna. Many plants have adapted specifically to this biome. Those include aloe, cacti, and the octillo bush. The octillo bush adapted to the environment by growing extremely long roots, allowing them to acquire moisture at or near the water table. Many animals have also adapted to this biome. For example, the fennec fox, the zebra-tailed lizard, and camels. Camels have 2 rows of long eyelashes to protect against blowing sand in the sun, fat stored in humps to survive long periods without water and food, and nostrils that can be closed to keep out blowing sand. There are many fun recreational activities that would take place in the subtropical desert. Some examples include visiting Kitt Peak for observation, hikes with family and friends, biking through the desert, and of course, camel rides. The Sonoran Desert in Arizona is one place where you can find all these attractions. It is highly encouraged to take side trips to the many biomes around us, including grasslands, savannas, and chaparrals. The typical weather here would be hot, dry, and with a lot of sun. To make your trip more enjoyable, we have a tire, supply, and gear suggestion. We suggest using lightweight t-shirts, shorts, and hats. We also recommend bringing a lot of sunscreen and, most importantly, water. Unfortunately, there are many threats to our biome. The first threat is oil and gas productions that are disrupting the sensitive habitat. Also, grazing animals are destroying many desert plants and animals. Lastly, global warming is increasing the incidence of drought, which dries up water holes. There is also many endangered species. Because of habitat loss and pesticides like DDT, the California brown pelican is endangered. The Eureka Valley evening primrose is also endangered due to the many plants and seedlings being crushed or by the effect of newly shifting sand. The subtropical desert's main provision is derived from their plants. The plants found here, for example, aloe, is used for many medicinal purposes, like soothing gel and dietary supplements. The desert land is also utilized for solar panels.